Just wanted to show you real quick. I'm not really into Milani makeup too much. Their foundations are awesome. Revlon used to be my thing, but drugstore foundation, Milani. Drugstore concealer, Milani, hands down. Not sure if I've tried their powders yet, but they have been coming out with Halloween lipsticks. I think for the past 2 years, Halloween lip colors. It's usually like a dark red and dark black. Last year they did some other colors like a dark purple. They had a lavender purple color. And this year they did these super shimmery lipsticks. I got the email last week. One of my YouTube friends is like, have you seen the new Milani? They did, I guess they're trying to follow in the footsteps of Wet n Wild. I know NYX has been doing it. I think L'Oreal and Maybelline have tried it in the past, but this year Milani is doing shadows, face gems. The only two themes of shadows, lip gems, and they had lipsticks and lip glosses, and so I had to get the purple. Gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. They had, I think, 4 lipsticks and 4 glosses. Also got this. It's like a gray gloss, and it looks like it has pink and gold shimmer. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, purple and gold shimmer. It looks like, and so I got that. Yeah, before it runs out, I'd rather order it online than go looking for it from store to store. I don't think my H-E-B has gotten it in yet. They usually do, but I didn't see it, and I just had to get that, so it came pretty quick too. It wasn't supposed to come till today, and I got it on Saturday. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. It's really all I had to show you. I just know that Wet n Wild still hasn't put up the Fantasy Makers. I think when I was talking to them, upset about the Sanrio collection, she was saying probably not till late September, early October, if they put it on the website. But yeah, so that's that, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah.